in order to perform deep clean on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to the security app. And then over here, you should be able to find a deep clean option. So let's tap over here. We can see what can be removed from our device in order to free up the storage. So for example, we can, in my case, I can delete installation packages, I can delete videos, I can uninstall apps, clear up data, and delete photos. And there are sometimes also suggestions for apps. So for example, if you have WhatsApp, you should be able to find the WhatsApp cleaner. So as an example, I'm gonna go to the installation packages, and then we can select what we want to remove. So it is not like we have to agree to everything. You can choose what you want to remove, and then at the bottom you can confirm your choice and free up the space. And the same goes, for example, with videos. Of course, you will find some videos that you have on your phone, and you can decide by yourself what you want to remove from your phone. So it's not like the phone will automatically remove something without your consent. You will have to agree to that. Over here, if you go to apps, then you will see apps that you rarely use or never used, so you can select them over here in order to uninstall them as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!